Hi, today I'm Samsung Galaxy F14 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you will see the volume section and you will see notifications volume panel. Just to mute them, we should slide to the left side notifications volume panel with your finger. Also, we can press to the up or down volume button, click here to the three dots, and we'll see here the notification volume panel. And just with this, by slide to the down with our finger, we can also change mute notifications on our Galaxy F14. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.